Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Sembly AI and Textio. Sembly actually. Sembly Sembly AI versus Textio. We're looking at the ultimate AI productivity showdown. Sembly AI or Textio. One is an AI meeting wizard and the other is a writing genius. Let's break down which two fits your workflow. When it comes to their primary use, Sembly AI has AI meeting notes and summaries, while Textio is best for bias-free job descriptions and writing. Bias-free job descriptions and writing. So they have their different niches. When it comes to their AI superpower, Sembly AI has real-time transcription and text extraction, while Textio has language optimization and inclusivity scoring. So if you want to use it for meetings, go for Sembly, and for hiring, Textio. When it comes to their key strengths, Sembly turns meetings into searchable action items, while Textio makes job posts 2 times more inclusive. When it comes to integrations, Sembly AI has Zoom, Teams, Slack, CRM tools, while Textio integrates with ATS, that is Greenhouse and Workday, and also integrates with LinkedIn. So both of them play nice with tools. When it comes to pricing, Sembly AI costs about $10 to $20 per user per month, while Textio is custom pricing, that is enterprise focused. And lastly, when it comes to their magic feature, Sembly AI has what we call Sembly AI chats. That has a question and answer for past meetings, while Textio has predictive hiring analytics. So they both have geek out factor, so they're both good. In conclusion, we'll say pick Sembly AI if you hate taking meeting notes and love automation, and choose Textio if inclusive hiring is your top priority. Both of them save you hours, just in totally different ways. So which one is your productivity sidekick? Drop your pick below. Smash like if this helped, and subscribe for more tool battles and go conquer your to-do list. See you in the next video. Bye for now.